about data warehouse. I think it's a very big project. They need to know a lot about what data warehouse. I need to know, star schema, all the things. How much knowledge is really required to get this started off?
I would say to get started off, because we give the starter kit, we have designed the starter kit in such a manner that it can technically be deployed in the first 60 minutes. So you can have the starter kit deployed like in 60 minutes and you'll see your data flowing in your reports. Now, there is definitely work done behind the scenes to get all these artifacts, right from data extraction to data transformation to data loading to data modeling to data aggregation, slicing, and then visualization on the reporting side. So you can technically reverse engineer and or make slight changes on the dashboards to kind of get what data. But if you have to pull in additional information, yes, you will require a little bit of technical skill sets to pull that extra information from a data extraction standpoint. Or if you want to design some cool reports on the Power BI side, you can actually you will require a little bit of insights on how Power BI works. But I would say there are a lot of YouTube videos available online on the Power BI side. There are a lot of Power BI consultants as well, and you can learn as well as you keep playing with the Power BI side. And in terms of the data extraction piece, if you are well versed with schema or certain things, you can start developing. Or if you have pre-existing reports, and from our side, as of today, we have 55 reports that we offer, and there could be certain YSR reports or Crystal reports, TXT files, queries that could be reutilized by making changes to it from a data extraction standpoint as well. So it really depends what you need, what business requires is going to define what ultimately. But from a starter kit standpoint, we have actually touched on various factors, and consulting partners like you also come into picture, where you can help clients to kind of get to the extra remaining 20%, 30% of the need. So I would say starter kit will get you started 50 to 60 to 70% of your needs, and that 30% of element, every client has its unique requirement and unique needs. So there will always be an element of involvement. But to get you started, I mean, it sometimes takes time, right? But here you can see things getting started in the first 60 minutes.